Hi boys and girls, we're going to work on fact families today. And I'm going to write the equation 3 times 5 equals the product of 15. In our fact family, we're not going to have additional facts. We only will have the 3 and the 5 and the 15. So using the commutative property of multiplication, I'm going to go ahead and change my factors around. So now it's 5 times 3 equals 15. And then these are my two multiplication equations. I'm going to need to have two division equations now because division is the opposite of multiplication. It's the same fact family. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my product, 15. So now this is going to be my dividend. This is the number I'm going to divide. I'm going to have 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And then I'm going to still take my dividend of 15, and now I'm going to divide it. My divisor now would be 3 equals 5. So notice in each one of these equations, I have the same numbers. I have a 15, a 5, and a 3. I don't have a 6, I don't have a 2. They're the same numbers in these fact families. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go over the commutative property as well. And this is the commutative property of multiplication. And that means if I have 3 times 4, that's going to, the commutative property just switches the factors around. So this is 4 times 3. Okay? And your second quick quiz, there was a problem, something like that. It was, let's see, 3 times 5 equals 5 times, and I put a variable there. And a lot of you just did 3 times 5 and you added 15 right here. But I know that 3 times 5 is going to be 15. And if I have 15 3 times, oh, that's going to be a big number. That's going to be a lot higher than 15. So we want to be really careful that we are balancing our equations. This side of my equation should be the same as this side of the equation. So if this is 3 times 5, I have a 5 here. I'm going to need a 3 here. So once again, that's the commutative property of multiplication.